morning, Crawls on 207. So today, as you know, I got this new Recon behind me, and well, it's plain Jane. So the first thing I always usually do is buy a set of vent visors. So we're going to be putting those on, and we'll show you how it looks once it's all done. Great purpose. It's been extremely hot, humid here. It's just been awful hot weather. And the great thing about these is with the hot weather and humidity comes thunderstorms. And you want to leave your windows open, but you don't want a wet Jeep when you get back. So these allow you to crack your windows down and let some of that heat out. These are made by Rugged Ridge, and they're a matte black window visor kit. I just like the looks of them a lot better than the older fashioned ones like I have on my JK, which are like a gloss smoke color. I think these accentuate the new style JLs, matches the fenders, bumpers, etc. So we'll get to installing these and we'll show you what the finished product looks like. So as you can see, just the little things sometimes make a big difference. I didn't get the Mopar headliners just because I've had them before, and after a while they just don't seem all that nice. They kind of bend down on the edges and they're real thin and flimsy, and they just don't seem like they do much. So what I ended up getting was Bedrug. It's in this box, and we are going to open it together. This is the other hardtop front panel, and I think that's it. And another piece here. So it's going to be like a puzzle. We'll have to figure out how these all go together. I did notice on this piece, however, looks like it's, I don't know if you can see it on camera. I don't know if this is going to show up, but right here it looks like it's missing some bedrug, so that's not really good. Unfortunately, the bedrug's not going to work out today. I'll call Northridge tomorrow and see what they have to say. Hopefully they'll send me a new set, and I'll make a new video reviewing the install of the bedrug, and also review on the sound quality when you're doing 70, 80 down the highway, and how it keeps the heat out of the Jeep in the summertime. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment down below. It helps our channel grow. And check out some other videos on the channel. We have overlanding, off-roading, other product reviews, a little bit of everything. So until the next video, we'll see you then.